Suba One Exam. Today we are with Mr. Jama Nadees. He came to Asian Institute of Medical Science for his treatment of shoulder. He had pain in both the shoulders and he had a replacement of his left shoulder. He is from Ethiopia, the place Jijiga. So he will speak about the journey to Asian Hospital. Yes, Mr. Jama.
My name is Jama Nadees. I came from Ethiopia, especially Chichi region. I came for the Asian Institute of Health Science, actually for two cases. One was the shoulder and the other was the back pain. About the shoulder, they made operation, surgery. They almost changed something. I'm not a medical, I'm not a doctor, but I know now it's coming well, and I feel no more pain. So I thank the hospital actually. I thank the hospital very much. Dr. SK especially, he and his team, including Rutu and Sfahan and all, they gave us good hospitality. They came, they took us from the airport, they brought us to the hospital. The left shoulder is almost operated and it's okay, and it's worked well. Almost, I can say 85% it has completed. But the backbone is becoming better and better and better, maybe 65% now. I think it will be okay. So far, as I've seen, the Asian Institute of Medical Science, they were all good actually. I see the system is working coherently together. I've seen one, I can remember one thing. Actually, I haven't seen many hospitals. For example, if you go to any doctor, they give you a number. So that number, every doctor, every specialist, when he puts in his computer that number, all the information from you, from us, from all, from MRA, scans, X-ray, blood assessments, everything. So it's working together, the system moving together in a good system. So I like it for I hope it will grow bigger and bigger. And thank you for that.
Thank you, Mr. Jama. He had been operated by Dr. Deepak Mishra, who is the director of Orthopedics, and now he is telling that he is almost 85-90% free from the left shoulder. He had some issue with the spine also, but with the physiotherapy, almost 60-70% he is okay with the spine also. So he is happy, and he is speaking about the system. While he was here, he interacted with a lot of other patients, and he found that all the patients are happy. Thank you, Mr. Jama.
Thank you.
Thank you.